Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Activate the Swift card and install its official app. Once done, sign in using the same email tied to the card so the system recognizes you. Make sure your phone's NFC and notifications are enabled because they facilitate quick payments and instant alerts. You do this now to avoid interruptions later. Connecting ID and phone number upfront prevents verification delays and speeds every subsequent transaction. Next, you add the Swift card into the app and load funds so it can be used immediately. Scan the card or type the number. The app verifies ownership and prompts linking a bank or funding source. Once linked, top up with a one-time transfer or set auto top-up to maintain balance. You should also configure your PIN and contactless settings right away so payments and ATM withdrawals work without extra steps, and set sensible spending limits to control exposure. Finally, you'll complete payments and manage the card day to day. Tap your phone or physical card for contactless purchases or copy card details for online checkout. The app records transactions in real time so you can reconcile expenses. If you need control, freeze or unfreeze the card instantly and change limits from the same screen. And one troubleshooting tip. If a payment fails, first check balance and permissions, then retry NFC or re-add the card to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.